Welcome to Shanti-Peace for Mathematics. In this video, we are discussing about finding the extremum value of the function f of xy equal to x into y in bracket a minus x minus y. Our objective is to calculate what is the extremum value of this function, or I can say saddle points, stationary points, or sort of things. Those who don't know what you mean by saddle points and extremum points and what is the maximum value of the function, they can go to the already prepared video. You can go and learn what you mean by what are these terms, and then come to this video. You will understand more. Let us recall what are the working rules to calculate the extremum value of the function. The first one is calculating the value fx and fy. The second step is fx is 0 and fy is 0. By doing this fx is 0 and fy is 0, we need to calculate all the critical points. So the critical points I am calling at x0, y0. And then third step, we need to calculate what is fxx, fyy, fxy. The fourth step is to calculate the d, that is fxx into fyy minus fxy square. And the fifth step is to calculate the value of d, and if it is positive and fxx is also positive at the point x0, y0, then we can say that the function f has minimum value. If d is positive and fxx is negative, then it has a maximum value. If d is negative, then the point x0, y0 is called the saddle point. And if d is 0, we cannot conclude that whether that function is maximum, gives you maximum or minimum. So according to this, the first step we need to calculate what is fx. So let us calculate what is fx for this function. Fx will be y into a minus x minus y as it is, plus xy as it is. The derivative of this bracket will be minus 1, and hence this will gives you ay minus xy minus y square minus xy. The second one is fy, which is the derivative of this with respect to y, which will give you x a minus x minus y plus xy as it is the derivative of this quantity with respect to y, that will give you minus 1, and hence we'll have ax minus x square minus xy minus xy. Now the second step is to calculating the stationary points, which is x0, y0. So if I consider this fx is 0 and fy is 0, we have already calculated what is fx. We have fx is this, so that is ay minus y square minus 2xy, is ay minus y square minus 2xy equal to 0, and other side will be ax minus x square minus 2 x square. So that is ax minus x square minus 2 xy equal to 0. Now you just note that this y is common out from this, so this will be y into a minus y minus 2x is equal to 0, and x is common out from this, so that's why it is x into a minus x minus 2y equal to 0. So this will give you a y 0 or a minus y minus 2x is 0, and x is 0 or a minus x minus 2y equal to 0. Now what are the combinations is possible for this set of lines? The first possibility is x is 0 and y is 0, that is these two combinations. And then we know that the stationary points is 0, 0. And stationary points I am just writing st point in the short form if you are allowed me to do that. So it is st points means the stationary points or critical points. The second one I can write x is equal to 0 and this, which is a minus y minus 2x is equal to 0. If you solve this equation by putting the value of x here, you will have the y is equal to a. So therefore we can say that 0 comma a is a critical point. Here is also you can write down, instead of stationary point, you just write down critical points. The third one which we have, the combination we can got is a minus 2y minus x is 0 and y is 0 by making this with y equal to 0. If I put in the value of y here, we'll have x is equal to a. This equation implies. So therefore, a comma 0 is this critical point of this function, and the last one is a minus 2y minus x is 0. And on the other side also we have another equation of a line which is this, that is a minus y minus 2x is 0. That is a minus y minus 2x is 0. By solving these two lines, now, so this equation is nothing but the x plus 2y is equal to a, and this equation will be y plus 2x is equal to a. I am just multiplying this equation by 2, so this way it is 2y plus 4x is equal to 2a. If I subtract that value here, that is 2y plus x is equal to a. If I substitute, writing the same equation here, and I am subtracting these two equations, we'll have, this will cancel out, this is 3x and this side is a, so that's why x is a by 3. And if you substitute this value of x into this equation, you will have y is also a by 3. That you can check by yourself. So therefore, you will have a by 3 is the critical point. So how many critical points here also we got? Here we got the 4 critical points. The first critical point is 0, 0 that we have obtained here. The second one is 0, a. The third one is a0, and the last one is a by 3. So now let us try to calculate what is fxx. What will be the fxx? We know that fx is y into a minus x minus y plus xy into minus 1. So what is fxx? That you can calculate from this. That is y into minus 1 minus y. So that's why it is minus 2y. What is fy? So for that I need to have what is fy. Fy is x into a minus x minus y plus xy into minus 1. So fyy will be x as it is. The derivative of this quantity will be minus 1, and here it is also minus x. So that's why it is minus 2x. And fxy will gives you, by doing the product rule here, y as it is, the derivative of the bracket, that is this quantity which is minus 1 plus a minus x minus y as it is, derivative of y is 1. Here is also derivative of y is there. So that's why it is minus. So finally we will have minus y plus a minus x minus y minus x. So that is equal to a minus 2x minus 2y. We have to calculate the value of this 3 at critical points. So for that, let us making one table. That is the critical point. The next one is fxx at point x0, y0. The third one is fyy at point x0, y0. fxy at x0, y0. And the last one is the d, which is fxx fyy minus fxy square. So the first point that we have calculated is 0, 0. Let us write down what is the value of fxx we got. Fxx we got minus 2y, fyy we got minus 2x, and fxy we got it is a minus 2y minus 2x. If I have, this is your fxx, this will be 0, this is also 0, fxy you will have a, so hence this is the value minus a square. The next point that we have calculated is a critical point is a comma 0. So that's why this is 0 because y is 0. this will gives you minus 2a, and this value is a minus 2a, so that's why it is also minus a, and so that's why it is a minus a square again, because the product of this two value is 0, minus a square is already there. The next one is 0 comma a, so that point is, for this it is 0, this will be minus 2a. Now what is fxy at this point 0 comma a? It's not changing because it is symmetric about x and y, so that's why it is minus a, and hence we'll have minus a square. The last is a by 3, so for that this will be minus 2a by 3, this is also minus 2a by 3. What is fxy? That is a minus 2a by 3 minus 2a by 3, so that's why it is a minus 4a by 3. So hence this is 3a minus 4a by 3, this will be gives to minus a by 3, so that's why it is minus a by 3. And if you can just do this, finding the d, so that will be 4 a square by 3 minus a square by 3, so that will finally will have 3a square by 3, so that is a square, which is always positive. These three values are negative. Since these three values are negative, we can say that these 3 points are the saddle points. At this point, we have this a is positive and d is negative, so that means this function has maximum value at this point. So I can say this point is the maxima of the function. And if you want to calculate what is the maximum value, you just need to calculate by putting the value into the function, that is a2 by 3, a2 by 3, that you can verify that the function gives you this value. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any comment, suggestion or question, please drop down in the comment box below. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.